What is the meaning of the existence of scars? Is it a mark of the past or a proof of rebirth? When you face the pain and choose to reconcile with it, you can find the hidden power from it. Pain is a reminder of the soul. It teaches us to turn to the inside and find our true selves. Through introspection and introspection, scars can help you move forward and guide you to hope and love. The existence of pain is a way for life to remind us to return to inner peace. When there is resistance to pain, it will only become heavier. Through acceptance, we can eliminate inner opposition and turn pain into opportunities for learning and growth. Acceptance does not mean giving up, but looking at your own experience with compassion and drawing strength from it. Every scar contains the wisdom of life, telling us how the past shaped ourselves now. When you stop treating scars as weaknesses, but understand them with an open mind, you can see the value of them. Focus on the present and make the past the cornerstone of the future, not a shackle. Focus on breathing, bring your attention back to the present and bring your mind back to balance. When the mind is calm and pure, the outside world will also become harmonious and beautiful. When the pain comes, don't be in a hurry to resist or escape. Try to talk to your heart and let it feel your acceptance and tenderness. Just like the sunshine in the morning can melt the coldness of the night, the warm heart can soothe the deep scars, bringing endless hope and the power of rebirth. If you face the pain with a calm heart, you can overcome the pain and find the strength to heal yourself. The root of pain is not the outside world, but how to view it. Learning to watch the heart and treat yourself with compassion can reduce inner struggles and make every pain an opportunity for growth. In the way of focusing on breathing, bring your inner attention back to the present, feel the existence and stability of the present, and turn the scars into the gift of life. Introspection is a journey deep into the heart, which helps us see our true needs and desires. Watching your own heart can bring deep stability and peace. If you learn to calm down and coexist with your own feelings, you can turn those past pains into the wisdom of self-growth. The key to healing is to treat yourself with compassion. All the pain comes from the harshness and persistence of oneself. When you learn to let go of self-criticism and give yourself gentleness and understanding, you can release your inner pressure and find strength again. The power of compassion can soothe the pain and make us feel the possibility of being loved and complete. No matter how deep the darkness you are experiencing, remember that the light will always exist in your heart. It may be weak, but it never goes out. Just like the dawn will eventually pierce the night, suffering is like the night, and the awareness in the heart is the light of dawn. When you choose not to be attracted by pain and focus on your heart, the light will naturally emerge. Every difficulty in life is a process of refining our wisdom and compassion. True purity does not need to be sought from outside. Our hearts are bright and pure. Dust symbolizes the interference of the outside world, and pain is an opportunity for us to return to our pure heart. Pain is an illusion, but it can teach us true wisdom. When facing pain with compassion and tolerance, you can see the meaning and value behind it. Every scar is a treasure given to us by life, which helps us discover the infinite power within. With daily gratitude and good deeds, let the heart regain peace, and embrace the world with the power of compassion.